Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80242008 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Simply go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next one, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script in its entirety, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.